Children, let us continue the chapter Cubes and Cube Roots. Now let us discuss about the cube roots. If the volume of a cube is V equals 1000 cm cube, then what is the length of its side? Here volume of the cube is given, that is 1000 cm cube. Then to find the length of its side, what you have to do? We have to find the number whose cube is 1000. That is nothing but finding the cube root of 1000. You know that finding the square root is the inverse of squaring. Finding the square root is the inverse operation of squaring. Similarly, finding the cube root is the inverse operation of finding cube. And here you can write A equals cube root of 1000. Cube root of 1000 cm cube. And you know that 1000 is a cube of 10. Then you can write 10 here, because you know that 10 cube equals 1000, and cube root of 10 cube, that is 1000, is 10. Here what is the symbol of the cube root? Symbol of cube root is this one. This is the symbol of cube root. The symbol denotes the cube root. Denotes the cube root. Here you know that if 2 cube equals 8, then cube root of 8 equals 2. And also you can write 1 cube equals 1, cube root of 1 equals 1. And 2 cube equals 8, cube root of 8 equals 2. See here, the reverse operation of this is this one, this is this one. And also you can write 3 cube equals 27, and cube root of 27 equals 3 you can write. And also you can write 4 cube equals 64, then cube root of 64 is equals to 4. 5 cube equals 125, then cube root of 125 equals 5. 6 cube equals, you know, that is 216, then cube root of 216 is 6. And also you know 7 cube equals 343, and cube root of 343 is 7. Next 8 cube equals 512, cube root of 512 is 8. Similarly you can write cube root of 729, that is cube of 9 is 9 cube equals 729, and cube root of 729 equals 9. Similarly you can write 10 cube equals 1000, 10 cube equals 1000, cube root of 10,000 equals 10. Now how will you get the cube root? Cube root can be found out by using prime factorization and also by estimation. Now let us take an example. Find the cube root of 13,824. 13,824. You write 13,824 and find its prime factors. You know that it is divisible by 2. 2 6 are 12 and 1 is remaining. 1 8, 2 9s are 18, 2 1s are 2 2s are. Again it is divisible by 2. 2 3s are 2 4s are 8, 1 is remaining. 2 5s are 10, 1 2 6 are. Then 2 1s are 2 7s are, 2 2s are 4, 1 is remaining. 1 6 means 2 8s are. Then 2 6 are 2 8s are 16, 1 is remaining. 2 6 are 12, 2 4s are. And 2 4s are 2 3s are 2 2s are. Again you write 2 2s are 2 1s are 2 6 are. Right? 2 1s are 2 0, 2 8s are. Then it is divisible by again 2 2 5s are 2 4s are. Then 2 27s are. Then you write it is divisible by 3 3 9s are, 3 3s are, 3 1s are. And here you write 13,824 equals 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 9 times 2's are there. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. How many times? Now we have to write 9 times. You got 9 times 2 and 3 times 3. 3 times 3. Then here you will get 13,824 equals, for one group you write 2, for second group again you write 2, for third group also you write 2, and for fourth group you write 3. That is whole cube you will get, because in each group there are 3 equal numbers, so it becomes 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 whole cube. Then you take the cube root on both the side. 13,824 equals cube root of 13,824 equals cube root of 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 whole cube. That equals cube root of 13,824 equals, here 3 cancels. What you are going to get? 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Then it is cube root of 13,824 equals 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. You are going to get 24. By using prime factorization method, we got the cube root of 13,824, that is 24. Now let us take one more example. Now let us start the exercise 2. The first question is, find the cube root of the following numbers by prime factorization. The first number is 64. Now let us find the prime factors of 64. So you take that 64 and try to divide it by 2. If it is divisible by 2, you know that it is divisible by 2, then you divide it by 2. 2 3s are and 2 2s are. Again it is divisible by 2. 2 16s are, 2 8s are, 2 4s are, 2 2s are, 2 1s are. So you got 6 times 2. Then you write 64 equals 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So make the group of triplets here. You got that 64 equals, for one group of triplets you take one number, and also for the second group you take 1 2. Cube it is. Here 3 times are there, so it is 2 into 2 whole cube. Then you take the cube root on both the side. Cube root of 64 equals cube root of 2 into 2 whole cube. Then you take that equals cube root of 64 equals, here these 3 cancels, cube root and cube cancels. What is remaining? 2 into 2, that equals 4. So what is the cube root of 64? That is 4. Next you take the second number 512. Find the prime factors of 512. Divide it by 2 as it is divisible by 2. 5 2 2s are 2 5s are, 1 is remaining, 2 6s are. Then 2 1s are, 2 2s are, 2 8s are. Again it is divisible by 2. 2 6s are, 2 4s are, 2 3s are, 2 2s are. Then 2 16s are, 2 8s are, and 2 4s are, 2 2s are, 2 1s are. How many times you got 2? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Then you write 512 equals, here 9 times 2 you have to write. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So here make the group of triplets. You got 3 triplets of 2. Then you write cube root of 512, or otherwise you write in the first step 512 equals 2 into 2 into 2 whole cube. Now you take the cube root. Cube root of 512 equals cube root of 2 into 2 into 2 whole cube. Take the cube root on both the side. Then cube root of 512 equals, cube and cube root cancels. What is remaining? 2 into 2 into 2. So cube root of 512 equals 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8 you got. 8. Then you take the next number. Third one is find the cube root of 10,648 by prime factorization method. Take that number 10,648, and you know that it is divisible by 2. You divide it by 2. 2 5s are, 2 3s are, 2 2s are, 2 4s are, 2 2s are, 2 6s are, 1 is remaining, 2 6s are, 2 2s are. Again it is divisible by 2. 2 1s are, 2 3s are, 2 3s are, 2 1s are. 1331 you got. You know that it is divisible by 11. Directly you divide by 11. 11 1s are, 11 2s are, 11 1s are, 11 11s are, 11 1s are. So you got 3 times 2 and 3 times 11. Then you write 10,648 equals 2 into 2 into 2 into 11 into 11 into 11. That is 10,648 equals 2 into, here you make the group of triplets, 2 into 11 whole cube. That equals, take the cube root on both the side. 10,648 equals cube root of 2 into 11 whole cube. And here cube and cube root cancels. You will get cube root of 10,648 equals 2 into 11. So cube root of 10,648 equals 2 into 11 is 22. Next one is fourth one. The number is 27,000. Find its cube root by prime factorization method. Take that number 27,000, and you know that it is divisible by 2 as the unit digit is 0. So you divide it by 2. If you want, you put bar here. 2 1s are 2 3s are, and 1 is remaining, 2 5s are 0 0. Again you divide it by 2. 2 6s are, 1 is remaining, 1 5, 2 7s are 14, 2 5s are, then again you divide by 2. 2 3s are, 2 3s are, then 1 5, 2 7s are, and 2 5s are. Then you know that it is not divisible by 2. Then you try it by 3. 3 plus 3 6. 6 plus 7 13. 13 plus 5 18. So it is divisible by 3. Divide by 3. 3 1s are, 3 1s are, 3 2s are, 3 5s are. Again it is divisible by 3. 3 3s are, and 1 2 3 4s are. You know that here 3 3s are 9. 9 means 2 is remaining, 3 7s are 21, 1 is remaining, 3 5s are. Again 3 plus 7 10, 10 plus 5 15. Then it is divisible by 3. 3 1s are, 3 2s are, and 1 is remaining, 1 5, 3 5s are. And you know that it is divisible by 5. 5 2s are, 5 5s are. Again it is divisible by 5. 5 5s are, then 5 1s are. Then you take 27,000 equals, here 1 triplet of 2 and 1 triplet of 3 and 1 triplet of 5s are there. So you write 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 5 into 5. Then you write 27,000 equals, here you make the group of triplet. For one triplet you take 1, 2, 3 and 5. 2 into 3 into 5 whole cube. Then take the cube root on both the side. That is cube root of 27,000 equals cube root of 2 into 3 into 5 whole cube. Then it is cube root of 27,000 equals, you know that this cube cancels here. You will get 2 into 3 into 5. So here cube root of 27,000 equals 2 into 3 into 5 is 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30. And one thing you know that 27 cube is 3. And this number is having 3 zeros. Its root must have 1 0. And you can directly write the answer here. But here we have to find the cube root by using prime factorization. So you can factorize it. Next let us take the number 15,625. Fifth one you take. Find the cube root of 15,625 by the method of prime factorization. Now you take that number 15,625. You know that this number is not divisible by 2 as the unit digit is 5. Now you try to divide it by 3. And 1 plus 5 is 6, 6 plus 6 12, 12 plus 2, 12 plus 2 14, 14 plus 5 it is 19. Then it is divisible by 5. So you take 5 only. As it is not divisible by 3, so you take 5 3s are, then 5 1s are, and 1 2 5 2s are, 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are. Again it is divisible by 5. You take 5 6s are, and 1 2 5 2s are, then it is 5 5s are. Then you take 5 5 1s are, 5 2s are, 5 5s are. Again it is divisible by 5. 5 25s are, and 5 5s are, then 5 1s are. You got 6 times 5 here. Then you write 15,625. 15,625 equals, how many times 5 you got? 6 times 5 you got. So you write 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. Then you make the group of 3 equal numbers. Then 15,625 equals, here 5 into 5 whole cube. It is 5 into 5 whole cube. Now you take the cube root on both the sides. Cube root of 15,625 equals cube root of 5 into 5 whole cube. Then you know that this 3 cube root and 3 cancels. Cube root of 15,625 equals 5 into 5. So cube root of 15,625 equals 5 into 5 is 25. 5 into 5 is 25. Next, let us take one more. That is 6th one. Find the cube root of 13,824 by prime factorization method, and you take that number 13,824. Find the prime factors of this number, and you know that the unit digit is 4, so it is divisible by 2. Then you divide it by 2. 2 6 1 is remaining here. 2 9s 2 1s 2 2s. Then it is divisible by 2. 2 3s 2 4s 1 1 2 5s 2 6s. Then 2 1s 2 7s 2 2s 2 8s. Then again it is divisible by 2. 2 8s and 1 is remaining. 2 6s 2 4s. Again you divide by 2. 2 4s 2 3s 2 2s. Then you divide by 2. 2 2s 2 1s 2 6s. Then divide by 2. 2 1s 0 2 8s. Then you divide by 2. 2 5s 2 4s. Divide by 2. 2 2s 2 7s. Then it is divisible by 3. 3 9s 3 3s. Then 3 1s. Here you got 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 9 times 2 and 3 times 3. So you write the number is 13,824. 13,824 equals 2 into 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 2. 9 times 2 and 3 times 3 you got here. Then you make the group of triplets. So you write 13,824 equals, so 1 2 2 2 3 you have to write. So you write 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 whole cube. Then you write cube root of 13,824 equals cube root of 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 whole cube by taking cube root on both the sides, and that becomes cube root of 13,824 equals 2 into 2 into 2 into 3, that is cube root of 13,824 equals, what is the product of this? 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. That is done already. Once again here we got the same.